Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with Zachy baby, who has a birthday coming up. I know. Are you almost one? I'm here with Zachy because I want to share with you guys some of our favorite baby-led weaning recipes. Yay! Or recipes, as my friend calls them, because they're really easy, like no exact quantities needed. So I'm gonna share those with you guys. And I wanted to do a mini review of Zachary's new high chair. Ah, there it is. It's the 4 Moms one. Are you hungry? The 4 Moms high chair. We have had a lot of high chairs. Zachary's my 3rd little boy, so we love trying out new things. But we had none for Zachary because I had gotten rid of all my past ones because I didn't like them. Yes, I'm a crazy person, but I like to find the best when it comes to baby products and share that with you. So let's jump in. We're going to start with the mini review, and if you're not interested in that, then just fast forward to the recipes. I'll put the exact time codes below. Let's jump in. Thanks for being here. Mom's so funny. Okay, so this is our new high chair. We've actually had it a few weeks now, and I wanted to really thoroughly test it before sharing my recommendations with you guys, and the verdict is I love it. I would not be making this video if I didn't. This is not a sponsored video, but I did ask 4 Moms if I could have the high chair so I could share with you guys. So the reason I needed a high chair is because Zachary did not like any of the ones we've had, and he would not sit in it for like more than 2 seconds, and it was making me crazy because I have 2 other little boys. I need to clean the kitchen, make them, like, I need to do a million things, and what I really wanted was a comfortable high chair that he would just sit in, chillax in, like have some nice longer meals in, and also be able to have a bottle in. So that's what I was looking for. And then of course I wanted something easy to clean, look nice in my space, you know, all those luxuries. And the 4 Moms one really fit the bill. By the way, I have not cleaned it since breakfast because I wanted to show you guys the reality of how to clean it, how it works, everything like that. So the coolest part about this high chair is there are magnets at the bottom of the tray. So all you have to do is pop your kid in the chair, buckle them up, and then just literally place it on. Look at that. So it uses magnets to hold it. And then when they're done eating, to release the magnets, you just pull this lever at the bottom and it allows it to be released, so they're like, so their fingers can't get caught in it, and it's super easy to take on and off. It's also got a little tray on top of the tray to make washing it super easy. And speaking of cleaning, let's clean it so you can have some lunch. Yeah. Okay, so for everyday messes like ours from this morning, you literally just take a damp cloth and wipe it down. It works so good. You can also use your favorite cleaner, you know, environmentally friendly, like one of those kind of things. That's what we use in our house. But for just like a Cheerio breakfast mess, I'll just use water and a cloth, and it's so easy. And then these actually pop out if you want to wash them, which I have done once or twice already. I've had high chairs where the straps are impossible to take out and wash. This one is so easy. They literally can slide right through if you bend this toggle part, and then you just take them off and wash them. So absolutely, the ease of cleaning and the magnetic tray are 2 of my favorite things. And the other thing that's my favorite is how comfortable it is, because like I said, I was looking for something that he would love sitting in. And then the last part, I talked about having a bottle in it. I need 2 hands to show you, but actually it reclines, which is awesome because then I can do that and he can have a bottle in there. This first recipe is one of my favorites and one I've been making for all my boys since they were little, and that is a take on an omelet. So first what I'm doing is chopping up some vegetables. As you can see, these mushrooms were just about to go old, so I used those up first, and then I cut up some avocado. Avocados have great fats for little babies, and all I did is chop the pieces up really small. And now I'm breaking 2 eggs into a bowl, and all you need to do is beat the eggs together with a fork. I add a tiny bit of salt, but really not much. And then you just plop a little bit of milk in and then add your veggies. You do not need to cook the vegetables first. This is what makes it a super easy, simple, and delicious recipe. What makes this a perfect baby-led weaning recipe is you can see the ratio of vegetable to egg is really different than you would have in like a normal adult omelet. Okay, back to the omelet. I had to show you guys this total fail of me trying to flip it. Yes, I'm using a beautiful nonstick pan. I have no excuse. I think I was just using the wrong spatula. And I think maybe I was just trying to be too careful to show you guys. Look at that total fail. But it's fine. It's a food for a baby. He doesn't care. So anyways, just cook through so the egg is all cooked. And then I like to slice it into pieces that he can hold. So I go for thin and long. That's always what I do for baby-led weaning. Then it's easy for them to hold it and eat it. And this came out so delicious. I even had some myself and it was really, really good. And of course, Zachary loved it too. How is it? No, Zachary. No, 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 no. So yes, omelets are one of Zachary's absolute favorite foods, and they're super easy to make for babies because you can cut them up into pieces that they can handle. I like little strips for baby-led weaning, and you can customize them and make them all different flavors. It's also a really good way to introduce new flavors and spices, not like spicy like peppers, but you know, garlic and different kind of flavors. And tons of veggies and things like that, and they're not really hidden, like they're in pieces that he can see. It's just a good way to put it together in a way that he'll like and he'll not be too surprised by, right? How do you like your eggies? Are they so yummy? All right, we're gonna enjoy our lunch and I'll see you back with the next recipe. Next up is another favorite in our house, and that is chicken noodle soup without the soup. And I just make it in the slow cooker. It's really easy, and you can adjust based on the flavors that you like in your house. So all you have to do is put some chicken in the bottom of a slow cooker, add dry pasta on top, and then top it with either like a broth or a soup mixture. So I just put the plain chicken uncooked at the bottom of the slow cooker, and then because I made this for the whole family this time, I added lots of flavor, but again, you can adjust based on like what your baby likes. But you use mayonnaise and mustard to coat the chicken. This makes it really soft and juicy. And then I just put in onion and garlic. And again, you could omit those if for whatever reason your baby doesn't like them. And some sun-dried tomatoes. And then all you have to do is put the dry pasta on top, cover it with broth. I use the Tabashnik chicken broth, and it comes out so good, and the noodles are soft and the chicken is soft, which makes it perfect for baby. Yeah. Huh? How's it taste? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? And then last up is another super easy lunch one. So this, again, I'm just using whatever vegetables I have on hand, and here's my trick for baby-led weaning. No matter how many teeth your baby has, if you want them to eat vegetables and raw vegetables, which have a lot of nutrition, all you have to do is grate them. So whether it's a really hard one to chew, like a carrot or a bell pepper, all you have to do is grate it up, and then I mix it in with either some cream cheese or some of this triangle cheese, and it makes a little veggie cheese spread, and then I put it on a sandwich. It's that simple. So of course you can customize it with whatever vegetables you have, whatever cheese spread you like, whatever bread you have. We just had white bread today. I apologize it wasn't whole wheat, but that's okay. And then I just, again, chop it in bite-sized pieces that my baby can hold himself. And then with this one for lunch today, I gave him some cut up blueberries, and this is my favorite kitchen gadget. I've had it for years. It's a grape cutter, but we use it for blueberries or anything you want. It's kind of hard to show you one-handed, but you just pop the fruit in, push that piece down, and it chops into 4 small pieces, so that's not a choking hazard. And I love it. Okay, so this is the super easy lunch with some veggies in it and the blueberries. Blueberries are his favorite. Aren't they so yummy? He was so excited for those. Yeah. Yeah, that's also why I cut them. Because he eats them so fast that even if he did have more teeth, it still would be a good idea. Yeah, we're gonna try the sandwich next. I'm gonna try the sandwich. Yeah. I'll come join you over here, Zachy. So yeah, depending on like what kind of spreadable cheese I have or cream cheese, and I do different veggies, like just whatever we have around the house. But you can mix anything in. It's really easy. You could even do Fruits with the cream cheese spread, like strawberries and raspberries and blueberries would be so good to make it like a sweet kind of breakfast one. Oh, thank you. That's all right. I think I'll have my own lunch. Put that there. What do you think? How is it? Oh, thank you for sharing. Thank you. So kind. You are so kind. Such a kind boy. Yeah. He's gotten into such a habit of feeding the dogs. It's not good, Zachy. Keep it all for yourself, okay? Alright, we're gonna go enjoy our lunch. I hope you guys liked this video and found the 3 recipes helpful. Let me know if you have any questions about the 4 Moms high chair or how to get food stains out of your clothes. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye!
Bye!